Alright, today we're making macros. I have some data that I used from the last homework we had. So I guess the first macro we're going to do is going to help us find in both spreadsheets or both parts of the spreadsheet how many wins the Knicks had. So in order to do this, I got to set our relative preference here. Alright, now let's start recording. Let's name this Knicks wins. Store it in this MacBook. What? Name it Knicks. Let's name it wins. How about that? Alright. So what we do, now we've started. Let me set my formula. So let's say equal VLOOKUP. I want the Knicks. I want everything in this spreadsheet. I want the second column, which has wins, and then I want all these values. So now that we've run that macro, let's stop it. And now let's go over here to this relative. Let's go to this first spot right here for our second. I guess we can call this what, our 2015 data, 2014 data, right? Sorry, 2015 data, 2014 data. And so if we have data from 2015 and we don't want to go through all those steps again, what we can do is go to this relative point, click macros, click wins, click run, and boom, we have the wins that the Knicks had, and that's correct, as you can see from right here. Now let's go down and make a second macro using this as our relative preference again. Let's go record. This is going to be our average points per game. Just call it PPG. Stored in this MacBook, yeah, workbook. And now we're going to say, lost my train of thought. Now we're going to say that this is equal to the average of this here column, this column right here, boom. Now that we've done that, let's stop. And now let's go to this relative point right here. Let's run that macro, points per game, run, and boom, we have our average again. So as you can see there, that's how you run two macros. And this is Jordan Ellison again, doing, I guess, our Thanksgiving homework assignment.